Hey Damien, the best way to get rid of hiccups is, what causes hiccups is your diaphragm gets offset, and what I learned to do through biology and, health, get a cup of water, and instead of drinking from the normal side, drink from the other side. I know it's going to sound weird, and you're probably going to spill water, but then when you're trying to concentrate on drinking the water, it resets your diaphragm and it'll be as if you never had them. I've been doing that for like 2 years ever since I've learned it. It works every time, never fails. Just a little tip. Keep up the good videos. I love you. You're funny as hell.